Hey guys, it's Carly. Today I'm so excited to tell you about my new favorite mask, the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask by Glow Recipe. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks and it's made my skin so smooth, glowy, and bouncy. I knew the mask was made for me because it targets stressed, tired, and irritated skin. And I don't really get a lot of sleep and I'm pretty stressed, so it was a perfect combination. I love how easy it is to use. As my last step of my skincare routine, I just take the little spatula, whip it up, and then take a dime-sized amount and pat it into my skin. It is a high percentage of avocado, and it even has tiny little pieces of avocado that melt right into your skin. So it's really rich in oleic and linoleic acid. One of the coolest parts about this mask is that it has PHA, that it has larger molecules, so it's optimal for sensitive skin. It also has honey, which is a great source of antioxidants. Then I go to sleep, I wake up, I wash it off, and my skin is so moisturized and bouncy. It also leaves a really beautiful glow before I even start applying any other products. I'm so excited you guys get to try this, and I hope you love it as much as I do.